The packed race for Madison mayor will be dwindled down to 2 after next Tuesday's primary. Our Keely Arthur spoke with the candidates and has their goals and visions for the city.
Former Alder Satya Rhodes Conway, current City Alder Mo Cheeks, and Raj Shukla, an executive director of a conservation group, sharing why they want to be mayor of Madison.
For the past 13 years, I've been the managing director of the Mayor's Innovation Project, which is a national learning network for mayors and their staff. So it is literally my job to answer questions from mayors from all around the country and help them work on policy and programs and implementation.
I am the executive director of a statewide water policy group. We have worked with legislators of both parties across the state to craft legislation and advance clean water policy from everywhere from Oneida County to Marathon County to the Fox Valley to the Central Sands. Because of that role, it's my responsibility to articulate a vision, to lead and manage a talented team of professionals, and to make really difficult decisions when your budget and your priorities don't always match. And that's what we have facing us right now.
My experience leading in the public sector, my experience leading in the private sector, and my experience being an advocate for our schools uniquely situates me to be able to address this ongoing challenge that we have as a community of this sort of tale of two cities, right? And that's what we're working on here in Madison, is trying to live up to our progressive ideals, and I'm ready for that job.
Write-in candidate Toriana Petaway, who fell one signature short on her nominating petitions, serves as the city's racial equity coordinator. She says she wants to have a bigger impact on the city.
You know, I started working in this position, and I realized that the impact that I am trying to have inside was not what I thought it was going to be. And as I worked, I realized that, you know what, I need to be leading. I need to be leading at a higher level.
Longtime Madison Mayor Paul Soglin, who served terms in the 70s, 80s, 90s, and back again since 2011, touched on his leadership in a number of ways, including racial equity within city employment, as just one of the reasons why he is qualified to continue.
The city took steps backwards in the 14, 15 years that I was gone in terms of our own policies in regards to hiring. If you look at all the folks that I've hired in department and division head positions, and the way we've reinvigorated recruitment for diversity in city employment, we've made tremendous strides.
Keely Arthur, News 3 Now.
And Nick Hart was unavailable for the interview. The primary vote again is next Tuesday. The two with the most votes will advance to the general election, which is April 2nd. For more of Keely's interview, you can go to channel3000.com.